So I'm now here at Puerto Princesa, Palawan. I just arrived and the flight was around 6 a.m. and it's already going 8 a.m. I will be a jeep going to the bus terminal, going to El Nido, but I first need to have some breakfast because I'm hungry as hell. So here's the Puerto Princesa International Airport. So what's up everyone, I'm now here at Puerto Princesa Terminal and we're now going to El Nido. This bus costs around 500 pesos and it will take us around 45 hours to get to El Nido. And I will show you the view later. Just arrived here at El Nido, Palawan. Took us around 5 hours and 30 minutes. And the temperature is really hot. But look at this view. Amazing, right? What's up guys, we're here at Manggaris, Bulalo at Silog. I will be ordering their signature Manggaris Bulalo, but it's soloable kasi hindi ko naman yung kaya ubusin lahat. And then I will be also ordering some pork sisig. So here's the rest of it. Ito yung signature dish niya. Tapos yung chicken salpicon, yung maanghang.
Yes sir.
Maanghang.
Pwede naman sabihin ko sir na hindi ko yung maanghang. Kung gusto nyo lang.
I'll go with pork sisig na lang.
Pork sisig?
Yun na lang. That's it.
Drink sir.
Drinks.
Ano sir? Coke, French fry, pink peso.
Walang fruit juice or shake.
Wala pa sir, kasi sir yung gumagawa na sa Puerto, pamaya pa po darating, hindi pa siya available sir.
Sige. Pwedeng water na lang.
Sige.
Sige. Thank you. So I ordered, yun nga, yung solo bowl. That's for 149 pesos. And then the chicken salpicon spicy daw, sabi ni Kuya. So I ordered pork sisig na lang. And of course, service water kasi hindi pa daw available yung kanto shake. And mas healthy naman daw yung water kaysa sa any sweets. So let's get for the usual recipe for bulalo. And I also ordered here some sisig. I don't have beer, but maybe I can have some beer. So day 2 here in Nido, Palawan. I'm going to buy, we're going on a 2C trip. And it's around 8 a.m. in the morning. And they will fetch me at around 8 to 9 a.m. Bibili muna ako ng water for the whole trip because water will be too expensive kung bibili ko sa bangka. Hi, so we just arrived here at the helicopter island, and we will be spending around 30 to 40 minutes here, and we'll continue with our tour later. And this is Kuya Ellie. Hi, Kuya Ellie.
Hello there in Manila.
He's our tour guide, and he used to be a teacher in Manila, and just like me, he left teaching. Yes.
I found a job that's doing a vacation every day. So that's it. I quit my job.
Of course. Who wants to choose daily lesson plans every day, right, Kuya Ellie?
Yeah. No lesson plan, no classroom. Every minute of my life is break time.
Okay, so we'll be spending our time here for 34 to 40 minutes, and we'll be continuing with our El Nido tours, and we will be having our snorkeling. Unfortunately, I don't have a waterproof camera, but I will take advantage of the waterproof case for my phone. See you later. We're now here at the Madali shrine, and we will have our lunch here. And unfortunately, to the most unfortunate, my phone fell into the water and it's fucked up. And I'm looking for rice because there might be some chance that, although it's on, what do you call that? Although there's this warranty that concerns, or that will actually conserve my phone once if it's broken, I still need my phone because I'm on a travel, and fortunately I have my iPhone on my spare bag, but it's unfortunate. I have memories here and I can't have it on the repairman's hands because I have some personal files. So while talking with you, actually look at this one. I went all this way while talking with you, and look at that scene. Isn't it amazing? So we're now done with our lunch and just climbed the place there. The awesome view. I'll be putting the view here and on my Instagram account. This is the Matinloc Shrine. There's Ate. She's one of travelers I'm with, and as you can see here, this is a shrine that was sold to the owner of this island or of this place. That's one of the visions of that French visionary. We're inside because the temperature is really hot. And I'll see you later. This view is awesome. So we're now here at the Talisay Beach, and this is technically our fourth stop here at El Nido, Touristy. And look how peaceful this place is. Sobrang peaceful niya, and ang sobrang ganda. Ay, hindi na ako uwi. We're now done with our El Nido Touristy package trip, and my phone actually fell into the water. It's fucking broken, but luckily I bought my iPhone here, so I don't have a spare Android phone, but I have a spare iPhone. So, and I'm now looking for a store that actually sells rice. You know, I need to put my phone in rice and then the silicone, because there might be some chances that it would be repaired, or rice will actually absorb this moisture, but this is really a problem.